We code 11. Container with most water. You are given an integer array height of length n. There are n vertical lines drawn such that the two endpoints of the ith line are I0 and I height I. Find two lines that together with the x-axis form a container such that the container contains the most water. Return the maximum amount of water a container can store. You may not slant the container, so out of the two heights, we pick the lower one, obviously, because if we pick the higher one, the water will be overflowing, so we pick the lower one, and then it's this distance times this height. So we really just want to work our way in, huh? So we come in, if this one's the tallest of these two, like if we start at the ends, whichever is tallest, we want to change the other one, because that's the only way to improve. Would be to move this one in, check. That's more than when it was this high. And then we start moving this one in, check, check, and we find out this is the max height. Or the max volume, not the max height. Okay. So we're going to need a left counter and a right, which is going to be height, which is the array name, length minus 1, the last index. And we'll have a starting area of 0, and we'll have a distance between the left and the right. And since we're moving them closer together, while L is less than R, because like once this comes in to this height or something, we're not gonna go to the other side. Okay. So the distance is going to be the right value minus left. And the area is going to be equal to the max of the current area versus we need a so we need a min of height of L and height of R, and then we'll times that by the distance. Right, should be good. So we get the minimum height and times the distance is the area. Okay, makes sense, makes sense. And if the height L is greater than height R, if the left is greater than R, we'll move this in and check. Else, we'll do the opposite. And this way we return the area that was the maximum. So we check all the areas efficiently, and we have a max. We have the max saved. And we can submit that. And now for Python. Essentially the same thing. L of 0, R equals len height minus 1, and area is equal to 0. And the width, or the dist, is our minus L. Or we'll, in Python we can just do it inside. So dist is R minus L. And then our area is going to be the max of area and the dist times the min of height L, comma, height R. I don't know why I'm switching things up. Keep it the same as in JavaScript. And then if height of L less than height R, if less, we went like this, and then R minus equals 1, else L plus equals 1. Return area. Nice. And that's the same. Interesting. And I don't know how you improve memory, but we got 11 completed.